So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Hostinger. So the first thing you want to do is go to this H panel or the admin panel of your Hostinger website, and you can see home, emails, VPS, you can see billing and stuff like that at the bottom, as well as payment methods right here. So I suggest you just click on payment methods. So from here you can see nothing found. But if you wish to click on add payment method to continue, just do that. From here, it's going to take a few seconds. So you will see a layout. So you can add a card, which will give you this. So you can just put in your name on a card number. So make sure that you have your card right by your side. Next, you can choose Apple or Google Pay. So you can encrypt and click on buy with Google Pay, and then just connect your Google Pay account with Hostinger. You can also add Apple Pay from here. It's pretty much the same process as Google, just fill it in with your Apple information. And you can also add your PayPal account, so you can see PayPal checkout, which if you click on it, it will just require you a few moments to fill out your PayPal account information. And from there, you can use your PayPal account as a payment method within Hostinger as well. But the people that's the most frequent way to pay is actually through the card. So just make sure that you have your card info by your side and fill it in with your name, card number, expiry date, CVC code, which is the code on the back. And from there, you can just click on submit payment. And from there, it's going to be saved as your default payment method. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.